Maybe this is a premonition na siya una matatanggal. Kasi okay, may award ka na. Ayoko malaman! Ayoko malaman!
Suki na.
Suki na pa talaga yung unang binanggit.
I'm sorry, Iha. But this is...
Oh my gosh, puro Pinay na!
Vinyas.
Brigading.
Vinyas, brigading. Vinyas, Vinyas. Brigading.
It's so equal! Tite!
Hey guys! Welcome back to the 2Gay BFF channel. I'm si James Matthew.
And I'm MC James CJ.
And today, it's the finale. Yes! The Drag Race Philippines.
Slation Royale.
Oh my God! Grabe.
After 10 weeks
Yes!
of rigorous competition.
Wow! Rigorous!
We have now reached
the finale. The finale episode. Hindi na siya penultimate and hindi rin siya late.
Yes! Bongga! On time siya ngayon na rin.
To be honest. Who are you rooting to win?
Me, it's...
Sabay tayo?
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Vinyas Deluxe! Hey, mga misis!
Team, this is it ako eh.
Oo.
Siya talaga ever since, kahit nung season 1 ng Drag Race.
Nawala kasi si Bernie, no? Siya yung
Yeah,
frontrunner
si
mo
Bernie
sana
talaga
eh.
sana. Pero sige, si Arizona. Si
Nag-slip.
Si Vinyas
Siya talaga.
No, si Vinyas talaga.
Si Vinyas talaga. Yes. And I know you're super excited na mapanood yung reaction namin for 10 weeks pinapanood yung reaction namin. So anyways, without further ado, let's watch the episode.
Watch! Oh my gosh, ayan na!
My God! Wala na naman tayo aabangan every week.
Magka-cancel na ulit ng
Subscription. Sa Telegram. Hindi sa Telegram manonood.
Ayun na!
Bring back my girls.
Ay!
Si Madam Yoko, hindi ko in-expect na siya yung unang matatanggal.
Ganda na outfit ah.
Yeah, agree.
Oh my God!
British bombshell! We love you something wrong. You brought the drama.
Fashion peacock.
Aminin natin, no, naging floppy na yung mga susunod na episodes. She was such a personality
Wala
kasi.
si Sam.
Parang
Yeah.
naramdaman ko yung space, yung void. Parang ang laki ng tinake up niya na space.
Oh my gosh, the shade.
Ay, ang ganda
Ay,
niya!
Ay, para siyang Chinese, porcelain.
Wow. Ay, oo nga, no,
Tapos,
na nabasag.
Oo, di ba pag nabasag, fill up siya ng
Ay, oo
gold.
nga.
Ayon sa kanilang culture.
Friends, we say...
Bombshell
Ayan
talaga
na,
siya, no?
so-
Ay, ayan na si Siam! She was my
Siam,
first
host.
choice na international queen.
The Asian seamstress...
Si Yuwa!
We love you, ha! Ang unti lang pala nila, no?
Ay, ang bongga!
It's Kiana
With a K! Grabe! Blue talaga yung color nila, no? Sila ni Marina. Ah! My God! RuPaul's Drag Race. This is a real will. Alam mo, parang tong season na to naging all-stars.
Why? Why?
Kasi, di naman naman yung nangyari sa dulo. Puro naging Pilipina yung dulo. But, you know. Wow! Sila ulit.
Ay, siya yung latest winner, di ba?
Yeah.
Gusto ko na si Marina yung last judge.
Cover girls!
Wow!
Put the bass in your walk.
She's so
Head
pretty.
to-
Ay, ooh.
Fierce jaw-dropping competition. Just one Slation queen will rise as the very first Slation Royal Drag Superstar.
Kino mo ba yung Barbie arms?
It's giving realness.
We would like to thank light and legacy will continue to shine brightly in our hearts and on our stage forever.
Ay, ang bata niya. She's just 45.
45.
Forever fabulous are dalagang Filipina. Rugel from Laguna. May kababayan from Laguna. We love you,
We
Jiggly.
love you, Mama James.
May I call you Jiggly?
May I call you Jiggly? Yes.
Having a ball?
The category is Defying Gravity.
Ah!
Arizona Brandy.
Wait, where's the gravity?
To see me. And I have this really long train. This is a love letter to all of the local Filipino places. It's a thank you letter.
Ay!
This love
Ganyan.
inspiring to
Oh. Alam mo, that's what I really love from Arizona. Yan yung opening line niya na parang ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung local drug, i-represent ko yung Cubao. Hanggang ngayon, dala-dala niya pa rin and she's true to her core. I love a queen who has a purpose.
Ay, ang ganda ng
This note is inspired by the divine intervention.
Parang shell.
The secret
Parang pearl.
universe we all
Maganda talaga
hold.
siya.
Ang ganda!
Flying like a winner, shining, shimmering, splending. This is your first
Ay, ang ganda ng pose
Ang
niya.
ganda.
Siya may pinaka nadala ng pose. Ang ganda.
Ang galing. Ang ganda nga.
Venus Deluxe.
Ay, medyo parehas sila ni
Brigiding,
Divine.
no?
Alam mo, parang dalawang pitfalls ni Venus Deluxe for being early frontrunner is, ayun nga, parang may expectation na tayo sa kanya na kailangan tayo laging mag-gag. Parang disappoint tayo pag hindi na tayo nag-gag.
Yeah, she set the standards
So
too
high
for
for herself.
I agree.
Pero, ang difference kasi, though pareho yung outfit nila ni Brigading, si Brigading kasi na-highlight niya yung beauty niya. Yun yung hindi ko napansin kay Venus. Parang, wala siyang na-showcase.
Yeah, for that round, I'll give it to Brigid.
Yeah.
I feel like.
An Asian cultural pride, Arizona.
Wow! She's like the sun.
Ganon.
Tumataas.
I feel like the earth is
Hindi ko bet yun nasa harap ng fest.
Sana wala na.
No.
Pero gets ko yung pagkakaano, kasi sa sun, yung flowers.
Oo.
Ay,
ang ganda niya talaga, no?
A history that cannot be erased.
Ang ganda na
This
speech.
is power.
Ay, ang ganda ni Suki!
Ay!
Oh, Kara.
At
Ang ganda!
With jewelry and obviously
I love
the slow,
it.
sultry
Okay,
walk.
Taylor,
I'm
take
presenting
notes.
you
First time niya kasi yung na ganyan, yung conventional na pretty. Parang lagi siyang fashion-fashion.
Venus
Oh my gosh!
Wait, siya lang yung nagpa-funny, ah.
Venus Deluxe as a young gay kid who feels
Ganon.
because of smile on their faces.
At least campy pa din, no?
Category is come in your
Okay.
Wow,
dyan
okay,
na.
let's see.
orange black
Okay.
big hair, big everything.
Ah, hindi ko bet yung
brown.
shape.
I'm giving you the rebirth of the orange. Zone of
Parang
brown.
flower.
Yeah. Parang feeling ko masyadong finil ni Arizona na gusto niya mag-fashion queen. But that's not all who you are, queen.
A sparkling universe swirling with moons, planets, and galaxies.
Para di ko rin bet. Kung Galaxy, ang plain nung tela na velvet. Galaxy core yung color blue, no? Like maraming stone. Parang kahit rhinestone, parang mukha siyang mga stars sa Galaxy.
Yan talaga. Ganyan ang best drag.
Ang unique ng look.
Oh my gosh!
Ay,
sa
80s.
80s.
Sabi na 80s.
Ay,
Ang ganda.
Ay!
Parang yung best so far pala.
Okay, I love it.
I love her look. Yua is gonna get it.
Pili ko si Something Wong.
Oh, maybe. And they're gonna give her the crown and it's gonna be a Mean Girls moment.
so
Like, you get a crown, you get a crown.
Ay, gano'n. Or it's gonna be like, come on, fan favorite! Bring it on, fan favorite!
Let's make a round of applause for fan favorite.
We're fan favorite.
You're right!
And I love na manalo or matalo siya ngayon, babalik siya for the next Nation Royale.
That's right.
To crown the next Miss Royale. Oo. Yun.
Maybe this is a premonition na siya una matatanggal. Kasi okay, may award ka na. Then, bigyan natin sa 3 Filipinas. Ay, talent show!
Ay! Alam mo, makakat ko lang. Sana yung best drag ni Arizona, meron siyang smoke machine sa likod.
Oo nga, no? Or parang make me alak something.
Oo, alak. Tapos may smoke machine. Parang vape ko to talaga.
Para on brand, no?
Sayang, oh.
You're right.
Lahat ng, ano niya, cutscene niya, may vape. Nakakaloka. Para at least pag naglalakad siya, ganun, may umuusok na ganun, no? Ay, ganda talaga nun.
That's weird.
Natatawa na agad ako. Ay!
Oh my God! She's a good representation of the local drag. Ang galing! Ang galing! Ang galing! Ang galing! Ang galing!
Ang sabi!
Arizona Brandy.
Ang ganda niyang opener.
Yeah, I felt the Filipino spirit.
Yeah, and it put us on such a high moment. Ang ganda.
It's gonna be hard to beat.
Writer's
Nakanta
Day.
niya. She's reminding me of Marina a bit. Ay! Parang stunt queen din pala siya, no? Ngayon ko lang siya nakita na
Nag-stunt.
nag-i-stunt. Di ko maalala nung season.
Baka nung season kasi nila, wala masyadong dance songs.
Ay, oo.
Puro mga camp songs.
Oo.
Ay, gusto ko yung sa LED.
Ang ganda ng lyrics niya.
Ay,
Ay! May ganon.
ang ganda. Bakunawa. Bakunawa ba yan? Ano ba tawag yan? Dragon.
Sana star.
Sisigaw lang pala yun.
Fairness. Bongga yung performance niya. Nung season niya, parang feeling ko filler queen talaga siya. Hindi ko siya na-feel masyado. Pero this season, wala lang.
She's the brightest star.
It's gonna be Japanese flavored.
Oh my God!
Parang yun yung kulang sa mga Pinay queens so far.
Nakakalimutan nila na nasa international season sila.
Oo, no. Maganda
Wala sila sa
ma-showcase yung
All-Stars,
Filipino.
Sana.
Kaya ba siya? Di ba sabi ko sa'yo?
Oo. Ay, oo nga, Andre fan. Chinese, Cambodian. Suzuki Dal, sana mapakita mo yung Chinese, Cambodian, at Vietnamese heritage mo.
Parang Suki na lang, winner tonight.
Ay, tapos na. Bitin.
Akala ko may something more kapag patanggal nung
I felt like meron pa siyang nagawa with her time.
Oo nga.
More.
Could have had something more, like
More.
a dance or
Oo.
something. Something
More.
more. Okay, Binyas! Our front.
Runner! Ay, you misses it!
Na-excite ako kasi 'di ba, alam mo una ko siyang nakilala kahit before pa nung Drag Race. Pero yung performance niya ng 2005 na Grammys ni Mariah.
Doon na
Diba?
siya nakilala.
Parang doon ko ata siya nakilala, yung kinanta niya yung Fly Like a Bird, We Belong Together. Ayun
Alright,
guys,
guys,
this is it. Kaya pala nag-release siya ng kanta. Ay! Gaga, ba't siya nagbabasag? Ay! Ano pare? Kaya out of pocket na ginawa niya pagbasag sa ulo. Natawa ako.
Speechless! Para kung I experienced an epilepsy attack. Para
Yeah, I love the ending. Ang galing. Nasubo niya lahat ng banana.
ang galing niya.
At naka-curve yung banana.
I don't want to blend in. I want to be kakaiba.
Pero, if she wants to be out of the box, alam mo kung ano dapat ginawa niya.
I've got all the same parts that you do. The same parts. The same parts.
Because what you see ain't
It's
always
not
the
just-
truth. Say it with me. What you see isn't always the truth. Sabi niya, same parts.
The same parts. The same parts. Diba? Sana ganun. Kung outside of the box, Vinyas, you knew all these other girls are gonna sing, are gonna perform for their life. Kaya medyo highlight for me yung kay Suki Dal because she was the one that changed the mood. Because all of the three queens, high energy performance na medyo expected mo na, pero alam mo, you should make something na memorable like what you did with your outfits. Pero, ayun, I guess you can't have it all.
Yeah.
And I guess she did good.
Actually, props to Suki Dal for showing her culture. Siguro sa performances ng Three Queens, ayun yung na-miss ko yung parang kulang ng cultural something.
Though medyo napakita naman siya ni Arizona. So, yung kay Arizona yung may pinaka-package ng may Filipino culture. Pero ang nagdalak sa kanilang tatlo is the storytelling, I think. Though,
so.
Parang nasa lyrics lang lahat, pero show, don't tell. Parang ginawa ni Suki Dal. So, ayun lang, after watching all the 4 performances, medyo doon lang ako nag-lap.
Tite!
Naiyak siya. Oh my gosh! Sino?
Tanggal na siya! Ayoko malaman!
Suki Dal pa talaga yung unang binanggit. 4th place.
No.
I'm sorry, Iha. Asian sensation.
Kung masli yung performance niya, no, baka may chance pa
May
siya.
chance siya.
Kasi siya yung may strongest looks.
Ganda ng fashion.
Nung fashion out of the 4 of them.
Yeah, agree. I love na tinawag siyang Iha ni Paolo kasi we really felt that she became a Filipino. Ang galing niya. Like, she really blended in with our culture and I love napakita niya talaga na how kind she is and welcoming she is to the Filipinos. Siya yung naging welcoming.
We love you, Sukida.
We love you, Sukida.
Oh my gosh, puro Pinay na.
Arizona Brandy.
Okay.
Arizona Brandy, the thirst quenching queen of
sister.
Ala, gulat na gulat si Venus.
Never be a station sensation. Thank you, Arizona Brandy.
You know, I did not lose. I just didn't win.
Winner na sila for me both.
Pero ang sad, natanggal si Arizona. She was part of my original top 4. Pero
But do you agree with the top 2?
agree.
Same,
Grabe.
I
Nag-flashback sa akin lahat ng mga season 1 moments.
Yeah.
Parang meron pa doon nag-premonition sila na Divine Divas ang magtatapat. Tapos, grabe yung iyak ni Vinyas noon. Nabottom silang dalawa ni Brigading. Tapos, naiyak siya kasi akala niya sila ni Brigading yung magtatapat sa Lip Sync for Your Life. Tapos ngayon, magtatapat na sila. So, I'm super excited. Kasi they're so close. Ikaw, what are your thoughts?
Ako ang bongga na season 1 queen sila both. Tapos mag-friendies. Tapos si Marina nandyan, nanonood na season 1 queen din. Pero what more pa kung si Precious yung last judge. Makikita natin yung tatlong Divine Divas. Precious must be so proud.
Exit siya.
No?
Oo nga, no. Ang galing nila.
Ang galing nila tatlo. In my heart and in my soul, bet ko talaga si Vinyas. Pero
Yung hula mo mananalo.
looking at how
whole
the season
package.
is going, I feel like Brigading is
Brigading
parang
ka.
being set up to win.
Now, my top 2 singers.
Parang ducks nga si
I'll go back to your work
si
Brigading.
Brigading. Ang baba nung top Di ba?
to change for your lip sync for the crowd looks. Please elaborate, disseminate, propagate, and inseminate.
Inseminate!
Sister sa sister! Ate, paano kung nangyari sa atin yan?
Maglilipsync.
Oo, kuwari, we go around the
Ala!
world. We go around the world. We Divine Divas tayo.
Tayo.
Palagi. Tapos tayo ang maglalaban. Isa lang sa atin.
Ewan ko, ang sad. Parang ang sad na ang happy. Ikaw. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to feel. I can only imagine the mixed emotions
Nila.
felt by Brigading and Vinyas. Because, you're doing drag with your sister all the time. And being friends and being the bestest of friends. And having to fight for the crown.
Oo. Tagal yun na din. Magkakilala. Hindi pa kayo sikat. You've been there for each other since the start and only one will be crowned. So, I wonder yung intensity sa sa live.
Of Drag Race Philippines, Station Royale. The very first Station Royale Drag Superstar is...
They're both a winner to me. What if double win? Parang si Trinity pati
Trinity
si
tsaka
Monet.
si
Tama ba? Trinity and Monet. Si Manila, tinanggal ng maaga. Sabi nila, Okay, para hindi magalit yung fans. Dalawa yung gawin winner.
Alam mo, I just realized...
Oh my gosh! Oo.
Alam mo, I just realized, 3 seasons na ng Drag Race ang napapanoorin ko ng finale. Oh my God! Hindi, papakita ko sa'yo. Papakita ko. Insert clip, ganun.
You're so sentimental.
Ngayon ko lang na-realize. Tapos buti dito tayo sa bahay nagre-record.
Top 2 Slation Royale Queen.
Okay, it's an equal. It's an equal fight.
Equal fight, equal. Iba yung
Ay, ang
attacking
galing
nila.
na Vinyas!
Ang taray!
Ay, ang galing nga! Hindi na mabaliktad! Hindi na mabaliktad. Ang simple pero ang galing.
Ano yung nilabas niya? Ah?
Ay, ang galing! Nag-gets kayo kay Vinyas! Para siyang bagong panganak. Ang ano ko naman kasi, it's very an equal fight kasi si Vinyas talaga, she occupied the center stage kasi lip-sync talaga yung pinakita niya this time. Tapos, I like na dun sa height nung song, magkaiba silang ginawa. Giding, she brought the flag na sobrang laki. Ang galing pala nila parehas. Born, tapos drag. Kasi si Vinyas naman, born, parang pinanganak siya sa stage. Kasi kung siya man yung nanalo, she was born to do drag, pinanganak siya as the winner. Ang galing. I love it. I love the symbolism to the song.
Ako, if I were being nitpicky, parang mas flawless yung reveal kay Brigading. Yung kay Brigading. Kasi ang daming shots na may ilalabas na something na hindi niya Kaya struggle siya i-reveal yung i-reveal niya. Eh si Brigading parang, ay, biglang may flag.
Queens, I've made my decision.
Oh my God! Oh my gosh, ate!
Ate!
Sino kaya? Vinyas! Vinyas! Both!
Brigading, Vinyas.
Vinyas.
Brigading.
Vinyas, Brigading. Vinyas, Vinyas. Brigading.
It's so equal. Kahit sino carry lang. Okay, sige.
Congratulations.
Ay, hindi siya pinagsasayaw eh.
Nagbabay lang.
Thank you.
Wala exit line.
Pero anyways, congrats, Brigading.
Congrats,
Brigading. And alam mo, it's resembling kung paano nanalo si Precious Paula nung season niya. Nung season 1. Kasi I didn't really expect Precious Paula to win. Because, alam mo yun?
Really?
Oo.
Oo.
Nung season niya.
Feeling ko si Brigading medyo expected na ng mga last episodes. Pero si Precious kasi parang nung episode na yun talaga, surprise talaga. Pero I wasn't mad nung si Precious yung nanalo. Okay, deserve naman.
How about in this one?
In this one, feeling ko deserve, pero it's so bittersweet kasi I'm a fan of both of them. Parang ang hirap maging happy for the winner kasi sad ako for the runner-up. But congrats pa din!
Pero I'm happy for Brigading kasi finally, nadala niya na ang family of Ding. Hindi lang siya mag-isa. Kasi si Zimba Ding din, hindi rin nakapag-top 4.
Saka si Bomba.
Wala pa.
Bomba Ding.
Pero I'm happy na after her season, yung mama niya naman yung nanalo. And I love that. I love that for Brigading because she really, lagi siyang ina-assert ng season niya na wala siyang brand, but she proven herself. So this is a good storyline for her. And I love to see what she becomes.
Yeah, after this season.
Oh, especially the Divine Divas themselves.
I'm excited to see her shine.
Oh, we love you, Mama Jiggly.
Mama Jigs.
Oh, gotta take it away. So, what did you think?
That was such a roller coaster of emotions. So unexpected, ang daming twists and turns. Ang daming moments na iconic. Yun lang. Ang daming moments na iconic and I can't believe Filipina yung nanalo sa Slation Royale. It really puts Filipino drag on the map of excellence in the world.
And not only that, history was made.
Yeah.
Top 3 queens.
Filipina?
5. Oo, tas 5-4 Don Filipina sa top 5. Ang galing ng Filipino. And if ang pag-uusapan lang ay proving ourselves, our worth, our capabilities. Nakunguna dyan ang pagiging Pilipino. But for my thoughts on this whole season, maganda. Na-enjoy ko naman siya and for being the pilot season of the Slaytion Royale, I'm excited to see more Asian excellence.
True.
Asian drag excellence.
We had such an amazing cast. I love see Filipina queens banter with the international queens. So what did you think of this week's episode? Did you agree with our comments? Tell us in the comment section down below.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
At huwag
kalimutan that, we slay.
Yeah, Filipinos slay on every stage.
Yeah, and Asians slay. Yeah.
Asian excellence.
Yeah.
Asian
Couture.
Asian hospital.
Okay, bye! Na-expect ko pumasok yung mga queens.
No? Para may moment man lang.
Oo, sila nasama-sama, tas cheer nila
I feel like nagka-problema sa logistics. Di ba galing sa ibang bansa, ibang queens? Feeling ko nga yung runway nila hiwalay. Baka ganun, no? Hindi sila mapagsama lahat sa isang araw.
Oo.
Tingin ko.
Parang kailangan na nila umalis kasi hintayin pa yung finale.
Oo.
Tapos, nagag din ako kasi lumabas na yung mga confetti. Kasi di ba ang ginagawa dyan, mag-shoot na si Vinyas din, tapos mag-shoot din na si Brigading yung nanalo. So, ano yun? Niligpitin nila yung confetti?
Feeling ko. Baka.
Saan naman?